Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Keep watching until the end of the video to see the interior shots, exterior shots and the full review. Volkswagen has dropped 3 presentation videos with the Golf 8, finished in a striking lime yellow paint. Powered by a mild hybrid eTSI gasoline engine, the compact hatchback was built in the high-end style trim level, therefore it pretty much has all the bells and whistles. As a refresher, style will replace the previous Highline with the MK8. The new Golf in style flavor comes generously equipped as standard with goodies like 17-inch alloy wheels, although this one seems to have a larger 18-inch set, and additional chrome detailing on the outside, including for the faux trapezoidal exhaust tips. Front sport seats are also part of the deal, as are LED headlights with cornering function and LED taillights with sequential turn signals, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and gear knob, LED ambient lighting in 32 different colors, and electric mirrors with memory function. Go for the style trim and VW will be more than happy to throw in the first 3-zone climate control system installed in a Golf. It's called AirCare Climatronic and has a feature called Smart Climate, offering functions such as warm hands or fresh air. This version also has an electrically adjustable driver's seat, the lane keeping system, and the semi-autonomous driving system dubbed Travel Assist. As with all versions of the new Golf, it gets a fully digital instrument cluster measuring 10.25 inches, and it's joined in this car by the larger of the two infotainment systems, measuring 10 inches. The optional 400-watt Harman Kardon sound system also makes a brief appearance on camera, and it promises to deliver perfect sound, as per VW's press release. The Golf 8 goes on sale in Europe this December, but VW hasn't decided yet whether the regular version will be sold in the United States. For the time being, only the already spied GTI plus the R have been confirmed for the US, with both hot hatches to be unveiled next year. The Golf still keeps its hatchback profile, but the MK8 will only be available globally as a 4-door car, which should be fine for Americans as the 2-door body style left our market in 2016. The more angular lines of the MK7 have been softened in most places, the front bumper is more sculpted than before, and there is a stronger through line that flows along the side of the car, bisects the door handles, and bleeds into the taillights. LED headlights and taillights are now standard across the Golf range. The new Golf also adopts VW's subtly redesigned logo, and new badging for the Golf model designation, now in all capital letters, sits just below the VW emblem on the back. That rear VW badge will no doubt still double as the release handle for the hatch. Volkswagen calls this the most progressive Golf ever, and the changes inside are more drastic than on the outside. A new 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel rests behind a standard 10.25-inch digital cockpit instrument cluster, and toward the middle of the car sits a standard 8.25-inch touchscreen infotainment display that is angled slightly toward the driver. A 10.0-inch infotainment screen is optional, and a widescreen head-up display is also available. The climate controls lay hidden just beneath the infotainment cluster. The center console itself apes what we've seen in the new 911, with a stubby-looking electronic gear lever flanked by a series of buttons for other functions like auto brake hold. Gone is the parking brake handle, replaced by an electronic switch. For the first time, the Golf will offer a total of 8 powertrain options, 5 of which are hybridized. The new range of powertrains runs the gamut from gas-powered to plug-in hybrid, with diesel, natural gas, and mild hybrid options also joining the mix. The 2 gas and 2 diesel units are all turbocharged and feature direct fuel injection. The diesel engines, which the US will almost certainly not get whether VW brings the Golf stateside or not, are said to be 17% more efficient. Volkswagen also says they've doubled AdBlue injections to significantly cut nitrogen oxide emissions. But then VW says a lot of things about its diesels. The new Golf will also be the first Volkswagen to feature mild hybridization. The eTSI engines will pair a 3-cylinder motor to a 48-volt electrical system and will have horsepower outputs ranging from 150 to 200 horsepower. The most powerful engine in the Golf range will have 296 horsepower, though no word on which model that engine belongs to. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly to those passionate about driving fun, Volkswagen has spent the money to develop a new 6-speed manual gearbox for front-wheel drive Golfs, and it comes standard on the gas-powered cars.
Higher-end Golfs will also feature VW's dynamic chassis control, and niceties like LED matrix headlights and adaptive cruise control. The new Golf will come in 3 trims, Standard, Life, and Style, and each step-up comes with a comprehensive bump in features. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but then we're still waiting to see if VW is bringing the Golf to the States at all.
Hallo, Volkswagen.
Wie kann ich helfen?
Es zieht.
Ja, die Gebläsestärke wird verringert.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.